Estas putas destas bandeiras estão aí a repetir o que agora? Tivemos.
Well, the cars, as far as I know, are prepared equally, and it would seem crazy if the team prepare my car better, especially as Damon's higher in the championship. But I just think it's it shows that Williams are one of the few teams who can prepare 3 cars equally and give the drivers equal chance. And it's taken me a while to eventually get here to the middle spot, but I'm glad today I managed that.
Was it you or the team who decided on the 3-stop strategy?
Well, it's a team effort, between Damon and I, and between what the team's information is, and from Renault, you decide on what will be the quickest from start to finish, and then work out whether that's going to be practical. And today, being both on the front row, that was the best strategy.
I was one lap before, I was behind him and I saw him going very slow into this chicane. I knew he's on very old tyres and I knew what it's like to be on old tyres into this chicane. You have to brake early, otherwise you're never going to make it. I was on fresh tyres and I took the chance. He obviously made it difficult, but that was what racing is about.
Well, I think it's going to take a miracle to win the championship now, to be honest. I think that we've got one or two things to try, but it's looking a bit too far away now to reach.
Come on.